All right, kids, welcome back to the shop. Today I got a first. I'm going to be working on a rock slide Glock aftermarket slide. That's what we see in front of us right here. A local gunsmith contacted me, and he said that his mill was down, and he was wondering if I could make some modifications to this slide. Of course, I told him I would do it. Now, I'm not a gunsmith. I don't know anything about guns. I'm doing this modification because he asked me to do it. So do not do what I do. I am not a gunsmith. So I guess he is having some problems with this. And he sent it back to the manufacturer a couple times. But he wants me to see this area right here. He wants me to machine it the same as this area, so put a taper on it. He didn't care what kind of taper, because he said it was an experiment, which I guess is good and bad. So it's up to me to decide what kind of taper I'm going to put on it, and then you know, of course I got to try to make it smooth somehow. So this could be a little bit of a challenge. The other thing is fixturing this in the mill. I guess it seems to be sitting fairly flat. We will set it on some cardboard so I don't mar it up. I don't know if I can put it in a vise. I'm going to try to. I think I can. That would make it easier. And we'll just take an end mill and we'll start, milling it. The other thing is, I kind of forgot, is the reason I can't put it in a vise, because I need it at an angle. So I'm going to have to figure out, either put it on my rotary table or put it on my fixture plate and just get it cocked at an angle. All right, I'll bring it back. All right, guys, this is going to be really hard to shoot, but you can see I have the rotary table set up in the vise. I measured that just quick and dirty as 40 degrees. So I have the rotary table set at 40 degrees. And so we're not going to mess with the table. The rotary table's locked. I zeroed my Y to be in this radius here. We're going to ease our way in. Wish me luck. Yeah, who didn't see that coming? Sorry that the camera's out of focus. I'll do better next time. So I can't see what's going on because of the coolant. So I'm going to put an indicator for my Z-axis. All right, guys, you see my dial indicator? So that's set up for my Z-axis, and that's the best view I can give you. When that gets to 0, we're still going to have more to go, but that'll be 0 will be a safe stopping point. So let's try this again. I don't know how much of that you got to see, guys, but now you can see that this is machined. I said that I measured that at an 80 or a 40 degree, but it's a little different. It was tough to measure that. I was guesstimating, but again, he left the decision up to me to make this angle, since it's an experiment. And hopefully you guys can see that I just scratched the surface right here, so you can't feel that. I know you guys can see it, the shiny, you can't feel it. And the other thing is, it almost looked like there was like an imperfection in here, but I guess it was just dirt. I think it looks pretty good. This radius turned out really nice. Here, you really can't tell that I blended it. You know, this little job was kind of hard. You know, there was a lot of finessing here. Everything was done with my X and Y. I should have had the other camera set up. You could have saw how I was playing with the table. I'm happy with it. Hopefully he is. And maybe I could get some more business. Hopefully he doesn't fix his mill. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe.